I dreamt of sweep. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
Okay, I'm a psychologist and I'll explain. A dream in which you are sweeping a room with a broom is not just a dream about cleaning, but is thought to be a manifestation of a deep desire to organize your inner self and let go of unnecessary things. Every day, we live with various emotions and thoughts, but sometimes past ties and unnecessary attachments accumulate in our hearts and prevent us from moving forward. If you had this dream, you may need to clean your heart. The act of cleaning is imbued with the meaning of clearing the past and organizing your heart. If you were sweeping hard in your dream, it is a manifestation of a strong desire to organize past events and relationships and become a new person.
I had a dream about sweeping a room with a broom, but this isn't just a dream about cleaning. Does it have a deeper meaning?
That's right. It's not just a dream about cleaning, it's a manifestation of the desire to organize your heart. Haven't you been feeling a lot of confusion lately? Are you worried about the past or wanting to start something new but unable to take the first step?
Well, it's true. Sometimes I get depressed thinking about the past, and even though I want to change my environment, I can't seem to make a move. But why does a dream about cleaning mean that?
Cleaning isn't just about making a room clean, it's about letting go of unnecessary things and feeling refreshed, right? If you dream about it, it means that you want to get rid of unnecessary things in your heart. In other words, you want to get rid of ties to the past and unnecessary attachments. If you were sweeping hard, that feeling must be quite strong.
I see. It's true that my head has been a bit cluttered lately, and I might want to clear something. This dream might be a sign that it's okay to let go now. I get it, thank you.
Have you been feeling uneasy lately as you remember past events? Or maybe you want to put yourself in a new environment, but you can't take the first step. If so, this dream is a sign that your subconscious is pushing you to let it go now. Also, dreams about cleaning are related to the desire to spend each day with a refreshed feeling. Are you being chased by something or thinking too much in real life? If you were carefully cleaning in your dream, your heart is likely wishing to live more simply or get rid of unnecessary things. The action of sweeping with a broom means manually clearing away unnecessary things, which is also a message that it is important to gradually organize your mind in the real world. If you feel refreshed after finishing cleaning in your dream, it is proof that you are already ready to move forward. You are probably in a position to sort out the burdens and past events you have been carrying and take a new step. On the other hand, if you feel that the trash is not gone no matter how much you sweep, or that it is taking forever to finish cleaning, you may still have thoughts and doubts that you have not been able to sort out in your heart. But that's okay. It is important to proceed little by little, not all at once to sort your mind. If you have this dream, try making small changes in reality. For example, you can clean up your room or write a diary to sort your mind. If you feel that you are too attached to the past, it is also recommended that you try something new. It is important to proceed with sorting your mind one step at a time. Don't try to change things forcibly, but let go of unnecessary things little by little at your own pace. If you have this dream and wonder, what does it mean?
Зрение, пожалуйста, поделитесь своими мыслями в разделе комментариев.
We would be happy to help you interpret the message of your dream. We also recommend membership for those who want to learn more about dream interpretation and enjoy special content. Let's continue the journey of getting to know yourself through dreams together. By changing your behavior, even in small things, your heart will naturally become lighter and you will become closer to a new you. Your subconscious mind is already preparing for change. Take this dream as a positive message and take one step at a time while facing your own heart.
I had a dream about collecting and throwing away trash with a broom. Does it mean something? Isn't it just a dream about cleaning?
It may seem like just a dream about cleaning, but this symbolizes cleaning your mind. Collecting and throwing away trash with a broom is proof that you want to let go of past ties and unnecessary thoughts. In other words, your unconscious is trying to sort out what you don't need and move forward to a new future. Is there something you want to cut off or sort out recently?
Wow, it has such a deep meaning. But it's true, I've been feeling a bit fuzzy lately, and I feel like I'm still dragging on past failures. Is this a message to me to change my mindset?
Exactly. This dream is unconscious advice to move forward without being tied down to the past. The act of sweeping up trash in a dream is a manifestation of your subconscious trying to organize and purify the unnecessary emotions and thoughts that have accumulated in your mind. If the cleaning goes smoothly and you feel refreshed, this is a sign that your mental detox is progressing smoothly. Have you recently made a bold decision to let go of something or adopted a new habit? This dream shows that the decision is heading in the right direction. On the other hand, if you can't throw away the trash even after collecting it, or feel like you can't finish cleaning, there may still be some doubts or attachments remaining. Still, the fact that you had this dream is proof that you definitely have a desire to let go inside you. Don't rush, just proceed with sorting your mind at your own pace. By throwing away unnecessary things, you prepare to accept new things. This applies not only to physical space, but also to your state of mind. For example, if you are dragging around past failures, you will not have the courage to take on new challenges, and if you cannot let go of negative emotions, you may not be able to be happy even if positive events occur. That is why this dream is a deep psychological advice to clear up space in your heart and prepare to welcome new things. If you have this dream, it would be good to be conscious of the act of letting go in your real life as well. It is recommended to start by getting rid of unnecessary things around you. By physically tidying up, your mind will also become more organized. Also, if you write down the thoughts that are bothering you in a notebook, you will often find that you can let go of them. And what is most important is to become aware of the past events and thought patterns that have been binding you and consciously let them go. Just declaring to yourself, "I'm not going back to the past, and I'm ready to become a new me," should make you feel lighter. If you dreamed of collecting trash with a broom and throwing it away, you are definitely moving forward. If you are feeling confused or anxious about something right now, this dream is also a message that it's okay now. Your heart is already prepared to accept change. That's why you should believe in yourself and take a positive step. A fresh wind will blow into your future. If you dream that the trash did not go away even after sweeping, you may be currently struggling with some problem or worry that you want to solve. This dream symbolizes a situation where you try to get rid of the confusion and anxiety in your mind, but it does not go away as you would like. The act of sweeping with a broom is an expression of your will to organize and solve your problems, but the fact that the trash does not go away despite this may reflect your frustration and impatience with a reality that does not go as you would like. Perhaps you have already tried various methods, reconsidered many times, and done your best in your own way. However, the problem still remains, or even if it seems to get better temporarily, the same problem returns. You may be feeling like you are going around in circles like this. This dream may suggest that your subconscious is beginning to realize that a fundamental solution is needed. When a problem does not go away, we tend to think that we must try harder, but sometimes it is important to look at things from a different perspective. If you sweep up the trash no matter how much you do, it may be that there is a problem with the way you sweep it or the cause of the trash. For example, if you are worried about work or relationships, do you think that if I try hard, I will be able to solve it? Or if you are suffering from the same situation over and over again, the background may be influenced by your own thought patterns or environment. When you have this dream, it is important to look at the root cause of the problem. Instead of trying to sort out only the superficial aspects, try to dig a little deeper and ask yourself, why does this problem keep repeating? And if you can't find a solution on your own, it's a good idea to talk to someone you trust. Advice from a third-party perspective can sometimes show you solutions that you wouldn't have noticed on your own. Also, just talking about your worries can make you feel lighter and help you calmly organize things. This dream may also be a message to don't try too hard. No matter how hard you clean, if trash keeps coming out, you'll get tired, right? In the same way, if you obsess too much about problems that can't be solved, your mind will become exhausted. It's important to take a break sometimes. Taking time to relax and calm your mind may help you see things from a new perspective. This dream indicates changes that are happening deep within your heart and awareness of things that you should let go of. Dreams about cleaning are a symbol of organization and purification, and if you can tidy up smoothly, it's a sign that your mental detox is progressing smoothly. On the other hand, if the trash won't go away, you may still have problems or emotions to deal with. Every dream is an important message from your subconscious. If you have other dreams and wonder what they mean, please check out this channel. We are also accepting questions about dream interpretation in the comments section. If you have a dream that interests you, please let us know in the comments. Also, if you want to know the meaning of your dreams in more depth or are interested in special dream interpretation content, we recommend membership. Let's unravel the deep messages that your dreams show together.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psycho just explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.